Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check for violations on your Facebook page. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and managing your Facebook page. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the drop-down arrow at the top and switch to your Facebook page. Once you're on your page, tap the profile icon again. At the top left, select See Your Page. Now, tap the three dots next to the Advertise option. From the menu, choose Page Status. Here, you can check whether your page has any violations. Under Community Standards, Facebook will show if your page is in good standing or if there are any issues. If you see a violation, tap on it to view the details. You'll be able to see whether the issue is related to your page overall or a specific post. From here, you can also submit an appeal directly to Facebook. You can also check if your page is recommendable on Facebook and whether it's eligible for monetization. If there are any problems, Facebook will explain exactly what needs to be fixed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful Facebook tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.